Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video I want to talk to you about hiring my firm to file a Baker Act for you. So if you've watched any of the videos that I put out there, you will know that I am not a proponent of using the Baker Act because it's not a treatment statute. I have told you that if it's an emergency, great. The Baker Act is specifically designed for emergency stabilization. You should call 911. I even have a member of my team who's a licensed clinical social worker who will go to the scene, and if your loved one meets criteria, will initiate a Baker Act. But the Baker Act statute is not designed for treatment, okay? And I always shudder when I hear stories of people who have been told to go to the courthouse and file a Baker Act, and then they call me because their loved one is stuck there. So I had one family that called me, and they were like, please file the Baker Act, please file the Baker Act. And I said, I'll only file the Baker Act under one condition. And they said, what is it? I said, you will follow it up with hiring either my firm or another firm to file a guardianship or a Marchman Act for you. And they said, why do we need to do that? We're using the Baker Act. And I said, no. The Baker Act is purely for emergency stabilization, and it authorizes the state to take care, custody, and control over your loved one for a period of up to 72 hours. But after 72 hours, one of two things are going to happen. Either one, they're going to be released, and 72 hours is not nearly enough to help somebody who has substance use or mental illness. Or two, worse yet, the facility, which is an agent of the state and authorized to be an agent of the state, is going to run to court. They're going to file a petition for involuntary placement, and they're going to ask for authority from a judge to keep your loved one, potentially for up to 6 months. And if you have health insurance, they'll be more than happy to oblige and bill your insurance company. In fact, they'll be more than happy to oblige and send you a bill for services rendered. So, I hate to beat a dead horse here, but the Baker Act is not a treatment statute. I don't want to file a petition to have your loved one Baker Acted, but I will if you are willing to follow it up with some kind of Marchman Act or guardianship, so that you as the family maintain control of the situation, because you don't want the state making decisions for your loved one. They're not the ones that know best. You do. You're the spouse. You're the child. You're the husband or the wife or the significant other. You know best. So don't let the state take control of your loved one, okay? You should be making those decisions, and only you. So with that said, thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves. And until the next video, bye-bye.